Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Tony here. Today I'm headed up north to go see Cleburne State Park. I think that's how you pronounce it. But from what I gather, this park is pretty much geared up for mountain biking. So when I look at the map, all the trails are all mountain bike trails, and it surrounds a lake, and there's two ridges on either side of the lake, and then there's trails that go all up and down the mountains or the hills there. So this will be an interesting one to check out. It's as far north as I've ever gone, so it's up by Fort Worth. It's a good 3-hour ride, so we're gonna go check it out, so come along. Well, here we are. All right, so here we are. We're gonna check this park out. Looks interesting, so I thought it'd be worth a shot. Again, it looks like there's a lot of mountain bikers out here. It's like the trails, bathroom was back there, and some trails, more trails. Very cool. If you got a mountain bike, this is probably the place to come out to. More trailheads. Nice. We'll hang out there against the water. That was nice. I hope there's some more picnic areas like that. Looks like a cool little lake. Not like that last one. That last one was pretty hardcore. It's like some parking, some docks. Yeah, probably a boat ramp. You can launch your boat here. Different feeling up north here. It's, you know, like I said, I've never been up north in North Texas, and I've been wanting to explore up that area, so this will be the first of that. This looks like either a campsite or a day use area. Looks like a lot of little picnics down here, which we definitely want to stop and have lunch. We're hoping to find something sunny. It's cold out. It's like a store of some sort. Oh, that's cool. Some more picnics. Some camping areas down this way. Sites 1 through 16, Cedar Grove. These are pretty tight. They're pretty much right on top of each other, but I like the way it's all covered here. So yes, the restrooms were back there. Again, these are all reserved. These are pretty nice. These look like the cabin areas. These are pretty cool. Well, it looks like another camping area here, sites 17 through 23, Shady Springs camping area. This looks a little better. I like this This a little better right here. Well, that's an interesting little camper right there. I guess this is a loop that comes around. Sites 23 through 43. There's some more up that way. We'll check that out. Yeah, these are nice. I still like those ones that were up in Garner best. But these will definitely do. Oh, that one's open. I'm not sure they have tent sites here, but it's nice. Sure, that's must be on that run where I saw where there was along the creek. I'm kind of looking to see what those ones that are on the water, and that might be up here. See what those are like. It's a cool layout, you know, the way the park is laid out. A lot of cedar falling. Just don't disturb it. Trails. Looks like a lot of mountain biking. Definitely. Let's see what we got here. Sites 44 through 58. Popular Point. Ah, yeah, these are the ones right here. These are really nice. Good spot for lunch. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, this will definitely be a really good camp spot. Yeah, I think we're gonna have lunch here. Yeah, we're gonna have this today. All right, so we just stopped for lunch. We had a picnic. This is a really nice camp spot right here. Definitely any of these along the water are the prime spots right here. But that one would be a nice one too. You'd pitch your tent down here somewhere. But this one I really like. We're gonna go check out the rest of it. Yeah, these are all real nice along the water here. .46, that's a nice one. 48. It's like the bathroom's up there. Even these would be nice. But definitely digging those first ones there along the water. That's a nice one. I think this is just the turnaround. But there's some trails off of here, so picnic area, and then some trails off of here for doing your mountain biking, hiking. Very cool, very cool. Yeah, so this would be a good stopping point for going further north. Like if I was going up back further, there's some other parks and other areas in Texas that I'd like to explore further north, but I don't want to have to, you know, ride 4 hours and then turn around and come back. So something like this, it's a good 3.5 hour ride. I can stay here, camp for the night, or even, you know, for the next day, and then go and explore and come back and camp here, or just have it as a stop off versus hotels. So the ride out here was pretty cold. It started at 35 and it's about 45 just when I got here, and my toes are just thawing out. It was pretty cold. All right, so we'll check out these campsites. Keyhole. That's nice, right over there. These are more not right on the water ones, which are cool. There looks like there's trails all back up in there. Yeah, I'm digging these. These are cool, definitely. Little creek back there and some trails. Yeah, I'm digging these. These are all work. So you got electrical and water for most of these. All these sites are electrical and water. So I can charge my phone, charge all my batteries. You know, currently I'm just looking at all like the state parks and stuff like that. I know there's other, you know, places that you can camp, private camps and stuff like that. But these are more of just your state parks that you can, like, if you're on a trip, you're crossing the state or you're whatever, you know, you can always just swing into one of these state parks. And like you saw, there was one available right there. And then those again are the shelters. So cabins and shelters. Those look more like shelters right there. And then you got a couple cabins over here. It's a small park, you know, it's not a really big park. The one loop back there along the water, that was the nicest of the camping, and it was pretty small. I mean, there's not that many campsites there, but it was still really nice. I could only imagine that during the summertime this place is packed, being, you know, it's on the water and so on. I've only seen one available back there, so that's more of a picnic day use area that we came through earlier along the water there, kind of a picnicky area. Yeah, so this is, you know, this probably serves more of the Dallas-Fort Worth area because it's pretty close there. But it's, I like it. It's a cool park. I mean, it's way more low-key than that last lake fishing park that we went and looked at. The other one, I forget the name of it, but this one, there's not all the power. I don't know if they have power boats here. It looks like they do have some because they have a boat ramp there, but they're probably limited to what they have on here because I don't see any boats on here. I saw a couple kayakers, but there's really not a lot of boats on this lake, so it's probably, you know, they keep that low key. See if we can't get a vista over here. So this was the boat ramp area that we went and checked out. Yeah, there's trails that run all along the lake and then up along the ridge back up there. So I suspect that, you know, this is very popular for hiking and mountain bikers, you know, especially when you get this nice lake view. I mean, the terrain's pretty mild. I was expecting it to be a lot more hilly, but you know, it's pretty nice though. Probably really just packed during the summertime with a lot of kayakers and so on. This is a cool little spot right down here. I guess it's some vista, or you can hang out and feed the duck. Not really a picnic area because there's no tables or anything, just one bench. I would go down there and check it out, but those people look like they're having a good time, just hanging out there and being mellow on their own. But yeah, it's a cool little park. I'm glad I came up here to check it out again. A midway spot for adventuring in this area or moving on further. I want to be able to scout out some of these places where I can come and hang out and, you know, spend the night and then move on to the next spot. because it is a 3.5-hour ride from Austin. No thrills ride, I call them. It's just highway 281 all the way out here. More trails, it looks like. Some of them are closed. I don't know if those are access or due to erosion or what have you. It looks like the dam is down that way. Well, very cool. All right, well, there you have it. It's another small park, but it was some cool campsites. And I'm glad we're able to, come out and look at these and show you these parks. They're definitely fun to come out here and check them out. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. That helps grow the channel. Subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any of my future ones. And we'll catch you on the next one. We're going somewhere. We're always going somewhere. We're doing something. Gotta be adventurous and get on out in this world of ours. So we'll see you next time. Adios.